Class. Today our revision work lesson number 7. As your annual exam course, lesson number 7. Chapter name is the crane and the crab. The crane and the crab. In this lesson, we should do revision word meaning. First of all, word meaning. Pond. Pond word meaning a small area of still water. Pond meaning a small area of still water. Then as sharp. Sharp having a fine edge. Having a fine edge. The next word dry. Dry means not wet. Then next believe. Believe means to feel something is true. To feel something is true. Okay. Pond, a small area of still water. Sharp, having a fine edge. Dry, not wet. Believe, to feel something is true. Then another one is opposite words. Opposite words action. Opposite word is inaction. Action, inaction. Trouble, console. Create, destroy. Cover, uncover. Bottom, top. Action, opposite word is inaction. Then trouble, opposite word is console. Create, opposite word is destroy. Cover, opposite word uncover. Bottom, opposite word top. Then is synonyms. Advice. Advice, synonym word instruction. Accept, agree. Cause, reason. Compel, force. Confer, grant. Advice, instruction. Accept, agree. Cause, reason. Compel, force. Confer, grant. और वर्ड मीनिंग ऑपोजिट वर्ड एंड सिनोनिम ये पूरा याद करना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो नेक्स्ट another one is answer the following questions. Why was the pond drying up? First question is why was the pond drying up? Answer is the pond was drying up because there was no rain. Why was pond drying up? The pond was drying up because there was no rain. तो बारिश नहीं गिरा इसलिए pond पूरा dry हो गया. Second question, what did the clever crane say to the fish? What did the clever crane say to the fish? The clever crane offered the fish to take them to another pond. The clever crane offered or said the fish to take them to another pond. दूसरा pond में लेके जाऊंगा ऐसा बोला. The clever crane offered the fish to take them to another pond. Third question, where did the crane take the fish? Where did the crane take the fish? The crane took the fish to a tree. Crane कहाँ पर लेके गए थे fish को? The crane took the fish to a tree. एक tree के ऊपर लेके गए थे. The crane took the fish to a tree. Then fourth question, what did the crane do after taking the fish? What did the crane do after taking the fish? Fish को tree के ऊपर लेके गए थे. इसका बाद क्या करता है? What did the crane do after taking the fish? The crane ate the fish after taking them from the pond. The crane ate the fish after taking them from pond. Pond से निकालकर ट्री के ऊपर बैठकर वो खा गए. Then fifth question, how did the crab kill the crane? How did the crab kill the crane? The crab, answer is the crab dug its two sharp claws into the neck of the crane and killed it. The crab dug its two sharp claws into the neck of the crane and killed it. The answer, what's first? Our 5 question answer है. ये answer भी very important है, so you should study the answer. The next one is next exercise, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. The crane wanted dash. The crane wanted dash. The crane wanted to eat all the fish in the pond. The crane wanted to eat all the fish in pond. Secondly, the fish decided to dash. The fish decided to dash. कुछ ऑप्शन भी है उधर. फर्स्ट लीव द सेम पॉन्ड, गो टू द अदर पॉन्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्रैब, गो टू द अदर पॉन्ड थ्रू a stream, then go to the other pond with the help of the crane. Here the correct answer is the fish decided to dash. Answer is go to the other pond with the help of the crane. The next one is third. The crane took the fish away and one by one the fish in the pond thought. The crane took the fish away one by one. The fish in the pond thought dash. The crane is eating us one by one. The crane is taking us to the river. Then the crane is trying to help us. The crane is taking us to another pond. Here, right answer. The crane is taking us to another pond. Fourth question. The crane wanted the crab to dash. The crane wanted the crab to dash. Take to the other pond and eat it. Show the other pond and bring it back. Take it to the other pond and help it. Take again to a tree and eat it. Answer is the crane wanted the crab to dash. Answer, correct answer, to take again to a tree and eat it. The fifth one is in the end. In the end dash. Option: the crane killed and ate the crab. The crab killed the crane. The crab killed the crane and the crane killed the crab. The crane agreed to take the crab to the pond. Right answer here. In the end, the crab killed the crane. The crab killed the crane. Crab ने मारा है crane. Okay. The next here, look at the following. Go, went, gone. Verb 1, verb 2. Present, past. इधर है go, went, gone. Speak, spoke, spoken. Write, wrote, written. Tell, told, told. Spend, spent, spent. Sell, sold, sold. Put, put. Cut, cut. So in this lesson number 7 में important question answer the following question. What the meaning of opposite word, synonyms, or choose the correct answer. These are very important questions. You should study very well for your annual examination. Okay.